Andre, don't fight him. Andre, don't fight him. Officer, where him do? Andre!
Read this. So viewers and subscribers, I see a video circulate with a youth in the video. Them call him Andre. I tell the viewers the video is very vicious for watchers. I say it's one of them situations where me would have say I resist arrest. I hate the people. I say he must fight the police. Them if he just go on. Yes, I say, but he have the handcuff on him and same way, and it's like the police them tired of the wrestling. And I like him have no weapon upon him or nothing. But the police them can him up. Me don't know if it's the viewers. In the meanwhile, leave a like on this video. Subscribe if it's the first time watching this channel. And I could jump into it and explain to you what I go on.
Police man. I want to say if I kill him, I can kill him, yes sir.
So viewers, as I say, the video, I have the video in 3 separate parts. As I say, and as I can see, the little clippings right there is like the police them go for him upon like a land where maybe a bar is. You understand? I say like those 2 police still is. I say, but him definitely put up a fight, a resist arrest from just for going at the police vehicle. As I say, I not bash the police or nothing either, because based upon the people them reaction, I wonder if the people them is like them say, oh boy, we know say I'm that the type of person, or maybe him wanted or something, but we don't take time deal with him. But them did that put up some resistance against the police, but them basically a plea to the youth when him Andre more to say, yo, just go on with the police them. Like them say, yo, why you fight the police them for? As I say, so them did definitely a plead with him to say, yo, go on with the police them. But at the same time, them they tell the police them say, yo, don't treat him so, which in the police them have to do them job. You see me I say, but more know what him could have do so where the police them decide say we not take this resistance no more. You see me I say, we are calling him up. You see me? Remember saying like we see enough video where resident resist arrest, you know. You see me I say, and them get pepper spray, some get button beaten and all them something there. As I say, me never see nobody where get, me I tell her like him get maybe about 3 to 4 rounds in a belly, you see me? So me I tell her say, yo, it's serious, and I don't like the police them no know say the people them a video. Me mean say it happen like right in a face, like the person where they do the video in him they basically up in the police face. And the video it, and it's like the police them not care. It's like the police them say, yo, watch ya, we done with this right now, you see me? So is he a wanted man or something? Because this serious, because as a resident, even myself, what if me feel like so the police them arrest me for something when me know me not guilty of? This will this be the result or what? But as me say, based on how the people them did operate, lead me to wonder if them know say him a certain type of person. And based on even what the youth are say in the video, it's like it just have my mind away, like me don't know what we don't know what to think about the situation is. I say, so even when them arrest him, it's like him not back down. It's like for that youth there when him Andre are dead before this honor. So the youth just said that, you know, while the police them arrest him, it's like the youth say, yo, watch ya, P-O-SSY boy, you don't have to kill me because S no mama. You see me I say, so it's like the youth nah back down. So is it that he knows saying do something, or is it the fact say him not like the police them, or him not trust them, where them even when go bring him go do to him decide say him nah go with them? But as me saying of viewers, I not like say him have nothing in him, and I not like say him have nothing in him possession. At least the youth never no shirt. The shots so him have and told them harass him and him they back down from him. His shots all off. So you know definitely say him not have nothing upon him. You understand me I say? So that puzzle me. Why the police them let off the rounds them? You understand me I say? And as me say, it's not like say I one of them fight the way the fight so big nobody no round them. Like me I tell her like the people them up on the police see me and I say, officer where you squeeze your neck for? And when I police them, one time they stop Russell and just hold him and I say, yo, so why me couldn't not tell him to cooperate with the police, make we carry him down. You understand me? I say, and the people them are bargain with Andre, say, yo, Andre, just don't fighting and make the police them carry a go on. You understand me? I say, but it very serious. You understand? So even some of my people them was there and them I say, yo, them a video it cause Indy come office see this. You understand me? I say, and me no know, like to me it look wrong based on how the police them deal with it. But based on how the people, them, the residents, them did operate and the things them where them must say, it lead me for evil things say. You understand what kind of youth or what him could have do so? Because even in the first half of the video you hear the lady say, me go see if I saw them go dash him way. That means say she expect or she have it in her mind say the police them come to do something. You understand what I say? So it's like she say, let me say if I saw them go dash him way. Like, tell me how that look, people. Tell me how that sound. Yes, I say that sound away. Yes, I say. But definitely, my subscribers, them know the drill already. You understand what I say? If you want the video, you don't know, say, once you follow me already on Instagram, just link me and say, you send across the video. Them, I say, I'm shoot it, you me. But if you're not a follower yet, you don't know for me send you the video, you have to be a follower. You have to in the camp for me share the videos them with you. You understand what I say? You also have some people, and it's no disrespect, but like after 1 week or 2 weeks, them just see the video, and it's sad for you to see the video so late. You see I say, but them still say, yo, send across the video. You see me? Like the least me keep a video for you on my phone like 1 week. You see I say? So possibility if you text me more than a week, I'm not gonna have the video again. You see I say? But for my viewers and subscribers who want to see the video, understand what me I try explain, and definitely just look in upon the video and tell me what you think. I may tell us, yo, it's just a messed up situation. You understand what I say? And if you say, yo, them can him up in his belly so, and him stagger for one little while and just drop, and no remorse, like the police them now no hard for him. The moment him drop, the police just fly the back of the jeep, and the one we can him up just holding him hand and the next one just holding his foot and just fling him up. Like I fling them go fling him up in a jeep. The video cut off before them fling him up in the jeep. But basically you can see say at that them did a go there. You see me I say at the definite meaning of dashing with somebody like a dog. May I tell us say yo, it's a mess up situation. But viewers and subscribers, tell me your opinion down below in the comment section on this topic. If you see the video already, tell me what are your thoughts on the whole situation.